welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's be friends. Hi guys, hi everybody. How's it going? How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I really hope you're doing well. I really hope you're doing well and you are finding things to occupy your minds and your time while we get through this devastation. And I'm calling it a devastation because that's what it truly is. This is a devastating time in our histories. Okay, let me address it before we start the video. Wednesday's video, I was very sad. Yes, I was sad, okay? I am a human with emotions, with deep emotions. I wear my heart on my sleeve. If you know me, you know that about me. I cannot hide how I am feeling. I cannot be fake. If I am sad, I am sad. And if I'm happy, I am really happy. When I am excited about something, I'm super excited. When I believe in something, I really believe in something. Comes this. I do not need to justify my faith, my beliefs, or anything. I am a true child of the one true God. I am blessed beyond blessed. From the smallest to the largest things in my life. I have always lived my life like this, always, and I will always live my life through God. Okay? He comes first, and then everybody else. So just saying that, because I think some people misunderstood my sadness. Please do not misunderstand my sadness. I am a human with real emotions. Okay. Out of the way. We got that out of the way. Let's get to some fun. Guys, I hope you're doing well. I love you all so much. My prayer warriors out there. Oh my. And if you don't believe in God, my friend, I can help you. My prayer warriors out there, I know so many of you sent up prayers. They worked. They worked, okay? That's all I'm going to say is they worked. Yesterday was a mind-blowing, phenomenal day for me on Instagram. Yes. It's overwhelming. I am solely focusing on the online business. I declared it many times, and I am declaring it again in His name that business will be bigger than ever. So thank you. Let's have some fun. We need some fun in our lives, right? I mean, I need some fun. I really do. I really need some fun. Okay, I hope this gives you some inspiration. It's just fun. I'm still going to celebrate Easter because, you know what? That is Jesus' resurrection and is a very important time in a Christian faith. So to me, I want to celebrate Easter. So let's get to decorating, okay? I'm going to turn you around and let's see what we're up to today. Hi, guys. So I'm not going to be in frame, but I will talk as I go along. And for filming purposes, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. And you've all seen this table. This is my front hallway table. This is the one from Hobby Lobby with the cute little drawers, which my drawers are still empty for now. I want to do something really cute up here, yet practical. So I like to do vignettes, grouping of vignettes. So the first thing I'm going to start up with is doing something with the lamp, because I love this lamp here, and it also gives me light in the hallway at night. I like to have the little lamp on. So that lamp, let me position you so you can see it. That lamp is from Kirkland's from last year. It's a great lamp. I like the base. I like the black. It just gives it some interest. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. This is what I'm going to use for my first vignette. This really pretty garden terrarium or whatever they're called. I guess it's supposed to look like a little greenhouse. It is so cute. It opens. This was so inexpensive, guys. It was only $20 from Christmas Tree Shop, and I love it. So I'm going to put this vignette together, and I'll show you what I came up with. Here's the first vignette. It's really, really, really simple. I used the little greenhouse. I put the little bird in there, and I also tucked my lamp in. And you can see I just have the cord running behind it. And then I used these little purple crocuses in the little clay pot. And I just think this little vignette on this side turned out so cute. Okay, let's move on to this side. I'm going to use this really nice metal chippy tray that I have. I love this tray, and I love using trays because it kind of corrals things together. And let me show you what I came up with. If you recognize these are those eggs from Walmart. And what I did is I took some stickers that I had from my Happy Planner, and I just glued them periodically everywhere. And then this is a butterfly that came in a set of 2 from the Dollar Tree, and I just hot glued it. This was like a little DIY Angela and I did together, and I think they came out so cute. If you've been with me, you'll remember these candle holders. These are what I call my Easter candle holders. They're not. They're just regular candle holders. But I did a shopping haul with me and my daughter when I bought these. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it for you guys down below. It was really funny. Anyways, I took these little wreaths from Michael's. You guys recognize these. And I just hot glued on a few twigs of greenery like that, just periodically everywhere. And I'm using the greenery, the little wreaths, as sort of like nests for my eggs. Now, I'm not cutting off the ribbon because you never know, next year I might use it for I might use these eggs for something else. So I'm just kind of placing them inside and then having the butterfly show. Isn't that so cute? You could totally use this idea with any candle holders and any eggs and like these little wreaths. I think this just looks adorable. But I need more stuff down here. Now, I am running out of Easter decor already. I mean, for those of you that think I shop a lot. Okay, I still want to keep it simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bird's nest. I don't know where I bought this, guys. I wish I could remember where I bought this. I got it last year. It's got little blue pit berries on it and some cute purple flowers and stuff. And it kind of matches the purple flowers on the other side. So I figured, oh, I'm going to use it here. So I'm just going to lean it up like that. And the purples and the blues all kind of tie in together. And then I'm going to use this little sign that I got this year from Walmart. I just love this little sign. And again, I don't even remember how much it was. But yeah, so there's the vignette. Now here in the middle of my 2 vignettes, let's say I just want to put something small, cute, yet practical. I'm going to use this tiny little tray. This one is actually from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Can't remember, one of the 2. It's just a little tray. But I like having a tray on my front hallway, especially like a seasonal one. You just drop your keys in or some loose change, and you kind of just keep things nice and organized. So I kind of like that look. Okay, let's get down to the bottom shelf, and I'll show you what I'm doing down there. Okay, hopefully you can see really, really good. Sorry, I have my wood cleaner here. Okay, I want to use my cloche again. If you guys remember this, it's like this giant, giant cloche I have. I love this thing. If you saw my early spring decor, then you would know that I used the cloche up above on this side. But now I want to use it down here. I'm going to use this concrete base. These are from Hobby Lobby, guys. They're amazing. And they're also now 40% off on their collection if you can get to a store. But you can order online. I mean, I know that we're all trying our best to stay home and abide by the rules and stuff. So, you know, just use your discretion. You all know what to do. Okay, so I had done this kind of thing where I put a wreath and then I did a little vignette inside. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just using this adorable little purple because I got purple everywhere and I wanna incorporate more purple. So I'm putting that there, and instead, I used to have a bird with something else, but now I want to put my bunnies. Oh my God, guys, these are my favorite bunnies that I own. They are, I don't know if you could see them really well. They are from a local artist in Georgia. It's called the Stone Bunny Company. Oh my God, they're my absolute favorite bunnies. I mean, obviously, I like supporting other small artists. So I'm just doing that, and I think it looks so cute. And I like the greenery popping around. And then I have another one of these little bunnies, so I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, let's get to this side. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna use is 2 of these. This one is from Walmart. I had them in my kitchen. If you saw my kitchen tour earlier this year, I had these in my kitchen as is with the yellow tulips and the greenery. And I love these crocks. They're very, very inexpensive, and they're at all the Walmarts in the USA. So I'm going to use the tall one, and I'm also going to use this shorter one. And this one's got like some greenery. I think this is supposed to be a fern from the dollar store, and a little bit more of the yellow tulips. But aren't these crocks great? They're great. And they're very, very inexpensive. But I just thought, let's bring some color down here. Then I had this in down in my basement. It's a candle holder, and it matches the crocks. So I kind of wanted to use that. And then a really pretty Easter egg, and it's got some writing on it, and it's just really pretty. But if the camera is glaring, don't worry. I'm gonna turn the camera around, take it off the tripod, and show you the table all done. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found some inspiration. I hope it gets you motivated to start doing a little bit more decor, and maybe even a craft with your kids or your grandkids, or just to pass the time for now. For now, until we can get back to our regular lives. I'm going to try and do some extra video for you guys just to keep you entertained. and myself, actually. I'm going to try my best, but I have to get the orders out. Angela and I are going to work at the shop because we can, because it is my shop. So we're going to work at the shop all weekend, and Dad's going to come work. Yeah, we have a lot of orders. So if all the people worried about me crossing the border, I'm fine. I'm more than fine. Please do not stress. I am fine. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing, amazing weekend. Please do something you love. Please do something you love. Stay in faith. We'll all get through this. We will all get through this. Hopefully this will bring on something better and more wonderful for our world. And I love you, and I will see you hopefully on Monday. Bye, guys. Mwah. Love you guys.